So beautiful people, this is 30 minutes after. Okay, so I want to wash my face, my body. See the oil on my skin. You see, if you have dry skin, use this coconut oil with turmeric. It's very good. So I will be washing my body. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you are watching me for the first time, please help me to subscribe, share, like, comment. Please share this video with your friend and family. Thank you very much. If you are a returning viewers, please subscribe for more videos. So in this video, in our previous video, we prepare coconut oil. So here is the you see, this is the coconut, and the coconut oil is dropping small inside the pot, and here is the face mask. So in this video, I want to show you how we want to do our face mask coconut. Okay, so this is my Philip. Wait. This is my face mask coconut I want to use. So this is honey. Okay, so I want to drop it inside the honey. So this is my turmeric powder. I want to put it inside. See, with honey. So I'm going to rub it on my face. Be careful of your eyes. This is if you have dry skin, use it. It's very good. Coconut and turmeric. If you have coconut oil, you can use it with turmeric with honey. This is turmeric. It's very good. Okay, I will leave it for 30 minutes so that it will work for my face. Subscribe for more videos. Share. Please help me to share my video, and we see all the food we cook on my YouTube channel. If you are a returning viewers or you are a new subscriber, you will see nice video on my YouTube channel. Please share my video with your friend and family. So I want to rub it on my face too, on my leg. If you have dry skin, use it. You know, on my YouTube previous video, the coconut oil, I said that they use it to massage body. The coconut leave it. So beautiful people, this is 30 minutes after. Okay, so I want to wash my face, my body. See the oil on my skin. You see, if you have dry skin, use this coconut oil with turmeric. It's very good. So I will be washing my body now. So beautiful people, as you see, I've washed the turmeric and the coconuts on my skin. So this is how my body look like. Okay, subscribe for more video like this. Mwah! Share, share. See you in my next video. See you in our next video. Mwah! So I'm going to store this coconut inside this. I'll keep it inside fridge so that when next I need it, you see, this is. Watch out for our previous video how we prepare our coconut oil. Okay, it's on my YouTube channel. So I'm going to keep this one inside the fridge. I'll be using it with turmeric for my skin. This is the coconut. Okay, thank you very much. Share. Mwah.